Hi guys, for today's video we're going to learn about letters for numbers. So in short, we're going to learn about expressions. In algebra, you can use a letter to represent the unknown number. So for example, if you have 3x plus 5, yeah, and it is called an expression, where an expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operators such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide that represents a value. Yeah. So in this expression, x is called the variable. So if we have another example in here, y is a variable, where a variable is a symbol, usually a letter, that represents an unknown or changeable value. So in 2y plus 7, it is the y known as the variable. And you will also encounter the constant, where it is a fixed value that does not change. So in these examples, 10 is called the constant. All right. And you are wondering what are the difference between expression and equation. When we talk about equation, it is a mathematical statement that asserts the equality of two expressions, and it is usually containing an equal sign. For example, if we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 11, so take note it has an equal sign. Compared to expression, it doesn't have. So expressions are composed of constant, variable, and coefficient only, while the equation has the coefficient, the variable, the constant, and the equal sign. All right? So coefficient is a numerical factor that multiplies a variable in an expression. So in this example, 5 is known as the coefficient of the term 5x. Right? So let's have more example for us to understand about letters for numbers. So if you have t plus 8 is equal to 11. So based on the introductions of letters for numbers, we can consider this as an example of equation. It's simply because it has an equal sign on it. While if you have 2r plus 6, right? So we can consider this as an expression. Okay? Where in an expression, the variable is r and the constant is 6. And the coefficient of r, of the term 2r, is 2. Okay? Okay, another example, if you have 5m, okay? So we all know that 5 in 5m, or in the term 5m, so 5 is the coefficient, while m is called the variable.